Yo, so I'm about to call my business partner, Raymond, and tell him we got the lease. I want to see what his reactions are. That nigga probably on the toilet. What you doing?
Cleaning Black Label, fixing everything up.
For sure. Got that lease, boy.
Yes, sir.
Got that lease.
God damn, this is about motherfucking time.
Yeah. Everybody trying to get a piece of the pie, but so am I. I'ma get the bag, give me cash like the lottery. Niggas think they bad, they just mad, they can't bother me. Money on my mind like I just got a lobotomy. Worst ATM, I'ma be where the dollars be.
Give me my money, give me my cash, yeah, give me some. Sorry, my homie, I got a dash, yeah, I gotta run to the check. Give me my power, give me respect.
So today is a day where our lease is up, it's done. The property management people are not renewing the lease. And I'm basically going to pack up U-Haul and move out. So we've gone from 2 event spaces to 1. So now that we're on the new journey of finding the new white label, I'm talking to a lot of brokers. I'm on LoopNet, 42 floors, all the different sites right now. Just trying to make it happen, trying to replace, you know, the white label and the black label, the 2 incomes. But I just wanted to show the people that, like, it's not always highlights in business, which you know, but sometimes everybody doesn't see. So it wasn't really bad. I had a good 2-year run here at White Label Creative Space, but now we're on to the next spot, you know, in search for that right now, and I keep y'all updated as that goes down.
What's happening, Tony?
What's up, Josh? My bad.
I was just about to give you a buzz, man. Yeah, sorry to keep you holding up, man.
Oh, you're good.
So I'm not going to be able to talk back to Landon until Monday about specifically how we can do this, and also the space isn't ready until July 30th.
So I guess now all I would need to know is a clear, like, status of kind of like where we're at and what it's looking like.
Sure, no, I understand. Yeah, you want to put your money to work. I hear you. That's the dilemma. I want to make sure it's the right position. And I like the idea. I just got to get cleared up and confirm with the landlord because they were concerned about event space and club and whatever. And I said, well, you know, he's going to do it like a co-working space kind of thing, you know. Mm-hmm. But I mean, as far as your licensing and your signage, it'll just say creative space, right?
Yeah, it'll definitely say creative space because, I mean, if possible, we would use the same sign that we just took down yesterday that just says White Label Creative Space.
I'm just trying to get this squared away so that, you know, I want to make this happen. You know, I make money to sign the deal too, you know, so I want to get you in. Trust me. I just, you know, I can't. I have to get some, you know, people ahead of me to confirm. You know.
Okay.
So just give me a little time till next week. You know, I mean, I'm really trying to push this along, but it's hard to make a decision. Especially because a couple of them are out of town. Mm-hmm. So.
I'm not available to take your call at this time, but if you would leave a detailed message, and I will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hey, Attorney Williams, this is Tony Smith from Black Label Event Space. I was calling because I haven't got my letter yet, so I'm not like super upset or anything. I'm really just trying to like get on a better level with our like working relationship because I'm trying to look for something like long term. So I know, like, when I first talked to you, you said that the letter would be done in like 48 hours. I paid the same day. I had talked to the paralegal and I was told that the letter would be arrived on Monday. That was last Friday, and it's Wednesday. I still don't have the letter yet. You sometimes even got to get on the attorney, you know what I mean? So a lot of times people can little person you, and that's not what you want. So you got to let them know where you stand when you're handling business. So that's super important to me because when people need money from me, I'm always paying right away. So I just expect that same service. So we'll figure it out. Yo, so I'm about to call my business partner, Raymond, and tell him we got the lease. I want to see what his reactions are. That nigga probably on the toilet. What you doing?
Cleaning Black Label, fixing everything up.
For sure. Got that lease, boy.
Yes, sir.
Got that lease.
God damn, this is about motherfucking time.
part, then comes the paint, and then everything else is pretty much cosmetic. But you know, the floor is the wow, you know what I mean? What's up, guys? So my favorite place to get flooring for your event space is Floor & Decor. They specialize in low price, affordable, high quality flooring, whether that's LVP, laminate, tile. So when you're making your event space, the first mistake that I made was I went with just a laminate. But you got to think with laminate, you have to mop all your cleanings and that floor will warp. So I definitely suggest going with a higher grade such as an LVP or a tile, because if you use a tile, you gotta think it's hard, it's easy to clean. But if you do tile, make sure that it's polished, because if it's not a polished porcelain, you're gonna get scuffs all over it. But Floor & Decor has so many options for you to choose from. You can schedule a free design meeting, that's where I just came from, where you can show them the pictures of your space, talk to them about your ideas, and Floor & Decor will make sure that you get the best price for everything. They'll send you home with a quote. It's a great experience, so make sure you check out Floor & Decor when picking out your flooring for your event space. If you are picking up at Floor & Decor, make sure you have a pickup truck or a cargo van so they can load it directly into your car versus me. I just got my Jeep right here, so you see I have to pull my pallet apart and put all the tile in myself. All right, we just got the truck dropping off the tile. That tile load, that pack just got dropped off. So it's always some BS. We got 20 boxes of tile broken because Home Depot, when they brought it to us, they had it too tight and it broke on the truck. So look at this. Look at all that right there. Let me box. Y'all can hear it. Always some BS, y'all. But you got a plan for it. Floor is getting dropped. It looks so good, it's crazy. Let me see if I can, well, y'all see it. Boom. That's what we're trying to figure out.
Put one right here.
When it drops down, it's gonna be on the wall. I see what you're saying.
So that's what I ran into. I was like, hold up, wait.
So wait, maybe we could do it this way. Since I'm looking at the size of them, right? You do the 4 in there. So we just wrapped up with the contractor. We're at the final days of finishing up white label. Like all we got left is pretty much decor and tying up the loose ends, which is the most important because it's always about detail, detail, and detail when you're selling a luxury product. So I'll see you guys in the next scene when I show y'all the finished product.
I see reality breaking down all my fantasies. It would be nice if I at least had one fantasy. That neutrality about to take a terabyte from the American apple pie, better get a slice. It's kinda scary the way that this life is moving on. Marvin's doing backflips inside his grave, what's going on? We have head-on collisions, not seeing another's vision. Maybe that's the reason why some colors fit the description. A lot of relationships need life rafts, sinking ships. I guess you just can't have only one like potato chips. I would love for you to listen with an open heart, but would you really even hear me if it's torn apart?